The goal is not to make it so that a user can speak to their phone and send $1 million, right? The goal is to give developers the tools to build sort of like cross-chain complex smart contract interactions without having to be able to write Solidity code or be able to read call data, right? There's like a whole bunch of very talented developers that are not able to build in the space just because it's too complex. And Intents removes a lot of the complexity because you're outsourcing the complexity to specialized solvers. Yeah. And that's really how you should see it. You take app developers that need to have like a super, super, super deep understanding of smart contracts, Solidity, and EVM. And you basically say, you don't need to think about this at all anymore. We have like this specialized group of people that will essentially figure it all out. That to me is the power of Intent.
That's exactly right. I think teams end up becoming like sweatshop doing integrations instead of actually doing like valuable protocol work. So intents allow us to like sort of like unbundle this, have sweatshops doing integrations, have a talented protocol developers building these intent markets, and sort of like have them work together and sort of like win-win.
We're able to bundle the chains by unbundling
devs and
process.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love that.
The only thing I would add on top of this is one other comparison, not only to Google Maps, Uber, so forth. I also see a bit more like Figma. So you've got these really talented designers and they create reusable components. And there's Figma marketplaces. I can take this information, combine it with mine, and then create something new, right? But that ability for me to go somewhere that somebody's already abstracted that understanding process away to then take pieces all together to combine something new, I think is really, really powerful of Intent, right? What that actually results in is brand new products that will be created in this ecosystem that we actually don't know just yet. And how do we not know this just yet? Because it's been so hard for teams to build products. I think one of the major challenges is we haven't had this reusability, this combinations of it and so forth, to just sit on a weekend and ship a product over a weekend, and go, wow, that's a good product. You can do that in Web 2 world. Web 3 land is integrate everything yourself, maintain everything yourself, and then also wait for audit slots. And you're looking months before it. And most of the time, people have lost the market opportunity at that point in time. But with Intents, you're using and combining all of these abstractions together to build something new, something innovative that we don't know just yet.